Divine bovine. Poverty is a global problem which has to be addressed at all levels. To combat this problem, Rotarians have come up with relevant strategies in the past and are continuing with their best efforts in the present too. Encouraging dairy farming was one of the milky ways that was undertaken by Rotarians to give a livelihood to thousands of people. Cattle is considered as a divine animal in India, and probably this divine dispensation will help to remove poverty. The Rotarians of RI District 3150 have always joined hands for improving the lives of those around them, taking firm steps to curb poverty and achieving Millennium Development Goals, of which eradicating poverty is an important clause. Rotarians of every club in RI District 3150 have been working tirelessly towards making this ambitious dream a reality. The Rotarians for a fact know that India lives in her villages. More than 72% of the Indian population is rural, and of them, 60% thrives on agriculture. About 70 million families are involved in dairying. Dairy farming includes raising of lactating cattle for long-term production of milk, breeding and taking care of them so that milk can be procured, processed and also retailed. In fact, statistics in Indian milk production reveal to the Rotarians that 70% of milk comes from small and marginal or landless farmers. They hence decided to tap this potential sector. Meticulous planning and attention to detail ensured that the Rotary Club of Chilkalurpet distribute 110 she-buffaloes to deserving and underprivileged women.
Good afternoon always. We are today celebrating the distribution of 110 milch cattle which has been provided to these villagers with your support and the support of the foundation and Rotary Club of Chilkalurpet. Of course, Ranga is here, who is the project contact, and
Yes, sir.
the president of the Rotary Club of Chilkalurpet. I don't know whether you met him last time, but he will wave to you. He's Rahman. And the past president Giri is here, and our district leader governor is also here, Hari Krishna.
Hi.
On behalf of District 3150, Rotary Club of Chilkalurpet, Ranga and all of us here, thank you and all those responsible for doing this wonderful project. ఇదా మీకేదా ఎన్ని లీటర్లు పాలిస్తుంది? మీ కుటుంబంలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? నలుగురు. ఇద్దరు అబ్బాయిలు చిన్నవాళ్ళ? అందరూ ఒక చోటే ఉంటారు. ఏ ఊరు? ఆవు. సో ఈ గేదె వల్ల మీకు సహాయం ఉందా? సహకారం బాగానే ఉందా? పిల్లల చదువులు అవి బాగున్నాయి. 3 లీటర్లు పూటకేసింది అంటే 6 లీటర్లు పోయారన్నమాట. So she's saying that she's very thankful to all of you, and this she-buffalo gives 6 liters of milk per day, and their family consists of 4 members, their husband, wife and 2 children, and they're all very happy and thankful to you for your generosity.